Welcome. In this video, we'll quickly walk through how to allow camera access on LinkedIn. If you've been trying to use video messages, scan QR codes, or join video meetings directly in the app but your camera isn't working, this guide will fix it in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. You'll usually find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. It's the gear icon that controls all your device's applications and permissions. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Depending on your device, it might also say App Management or Applications. This section lets you view and control all the apps installed on your phone. Now, find and tap on LinkedIn. You'll see the app icon and name on the list. Once you're inside LinkedIn's settings, look for the Permissions option and tap on it. Here, you'll find a list of all the permissions LinkedIn can request, like your camera, microphone, location, and more. Tap on Camera. If the setting is currently set to Don't Allow or Ask Every Time, switch it to Allow. By turning on camera access, you're giving LinkedIn permission to use your phone's camera anytime you start or join a video feature within the app. This is especially important for things like professional video introductions, creating posts with video content, or attending live sessions. Once you've changed that setting, go back to LinkedIn and test it right away. Open the camera option in a message or post, and you should see the view from your phone's camera appear instantly. That's it. You've successfully enabled your camera for LinkedIn. One small permission change can make a big difference in how smoothly you connect, communicate, and network on the platform. If this helped you, don't forget to share the video with a friend who might be having the same issue. Thanks for watching.